Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you how to use Fable 5 of Claude in Claude Code for totally free. So this is an official way, legal way. So the website name is freemodel.dev. So if you go to the website, simply type this in browser. So they are providing unlimited tokens. Once you register on this website, it's very simple. I have already registered it using my Google account. So if you go to the website, let's suppose you're not logged in, you simply search for this website freemodel.dev. So this website will come right here, one API for every frontier model. So this website is providing unlimited access. I don't know why, but they have the option to continue with Google. So you can actually log in, and once you log in, you will be granted the pro plan automatically. So then after that you need to create the API key. It's very simple, the user interface. So once you go to the thing, you click on create key. I think they are telling us that you need to verify the account here, verify phone number. Let me try this with a different account here. I don't know why that UI is coming. So once you log in, as you can see, you will get unlimited tokens.
Now everyone can get unlimited access to Claude Code and
So I will show you how to do this. So you can actually bind phone number, bind Telegram. There are two ways for verification. So after you open this in Telegram, directly open this Telegram and you simply join their group. Account bounded successfully, you can return to the website. So in this easy way, you can do the verification. So if you try to refresh it, you can see that now you are successfully done. Now you are inside the pro plan. So now to actually create the API key, give it a name and your API key will be created. So just do the Telegram verification after you connected your Telegram account. It's very easy. You get the API key, and now I will show you. They have actually shown you. Let me just store this API key somewhere else so that I can directly show you how to connect this inside Claude Code. Let me just store this. So by default, Claude Code, if you have installed it, it's actually present in the C directory and in the users directory. So go to the users directory and go to the actual username. Mine is access, so I will go into site this. And then there is a folder called as .claude. So simply search for this folder. You will see this folder. So simply open this and we just need to edit the settings right here. So just open this settings file and they will actually give you this code right here. If you go to the doc section, so you can either do this in Claude Code or Codex. In this tutorial I will show you for Claude Code. So first of all, if you haven't installed it, directly install this command. By executing this command, it will install Claude Code. After that, they have shown you in the settings JSON, you copy this code. Let me just copy this. So right here, you need to paste this API key. So I have already stored this API key. So let me just copy this. So paste the API key here also. So that's all that you need to do. They have filled out the base URL. This is freemodel.dev. So after making this change, simply start your Claude Code. Simply select the directory wherever you will be developing your projects. So let me just Open command line. I make a new directory, Claude 2. I cd into this directory, open it inside VS Code. So you see that the directory is empty. And now if I start Claude code, so I simply type here Claude. So you first of all, I trust this folder, and then you need to, it automatically detected that custom API key that we pasted. So it will ask this question, do you want to use this API key? So you will select yes, and after that this will open. And inside the model section, if you simply say model, and right here you can select Opus model Sonnet 5 Haku. So there is one option that you can pass inside the settings JSON file. So to get the Fable model, so there is this option here, Anthropic default Fable. So you just need to write some additional detail. So Claude Fable 5, and one other option, Anthropic default Fable model name. And another option you add right here, model, we need Fable. So just add these three properties, Anthropic default Fable model name, and model is equal to Fable. So that's these three properties you need to, and after that you need to restart. By default, it will use the, so if you type hi here, it is using the default Opus 5 model. So it will respond to you as soon as you type a message. So for the very first time, it will take some time to respond, and in the subsequent request, it will not take too much time. So just wait for the response to come. So as you can see now, it is telling, what can I help you with today? I can simply say top 10 Node.js frameworks in 2026. So you can say yes. It will actually doing the research right here. As you can see that it is consuming tokens. It is searching on Google the top 10 frameworks of Node.js in 2026. As you can see, we are using the latest model. It is doing the research. You can see consuming the tokens, and then let me just restart this to actually show you to actually use Fable. So now as you can see, custom Fable 5 model is appearing right here. And if you select this, simply type message hi. So this is our Fable 5 model. As you can see, we are using it, Claude Fable 5 model. So in the usage section, it will exactly tell you how many request you have made. So in this easy way, you can use any Claude Opus, Claude Fable model in Claude Code using this website freemodel.dev. They are offering free unlimited tokens. So definitely check this out. You do need to verify through Telegram to complete the process. You can select your Opus.